Class, quiet down, please. Last week, we were talking about the solar system. I know everyone has read Chapter 4 and prepared their research questions. Well, I've done some research of my own.
I read the chapter, but it didn't answer my questions.
And this is what I found. Someone who knows a lot about the solar system. Let me introduce you to my class. Anna McGowan has been a researcher with NASA for many years, and I know that you'll find it very exciting to interact with her.
Good morning, class.
Good morning.
Miss Ewing emailed me some of your questions. Jacob, you had some great ones. Let's start with you.
How are we going to determine whether or not Pluto is a true planet?
Excellent question. Here at NASA, we're developing specific missions designed to determine exactly that.
You've just seen what NASA's Digital Learning Network is all about. We connect students, teachers, and families to NASA through interactive instructional technologies, like video conferencing. Through a high-speed connection to the internet and relatively inexpensive hardware, you can be an online participant in a growing number of events delivered straight to your classroom from any of NASA's 10 field centers. Each center provides unique insight into specific areas of research. Ames Research Center focuses on creating new knowledge and technologies for all of NASA's interests. Dryden Flight Research Center continues to innovate in aeronautics and space technology. The newest, fastest, the highest all make their debut in the vast, clear desert skies over Dryden. The Jet Propulsion Lab, managed by the California Institute of Technology, is NASA's lead center for robotic exploration of the solar system. From the early Gemini, Apollo, and Skylab projects to today's programs, Johnson Space Center continues to lead NASA's efforts in human space exploration. Stennis Space Center is responsible for NASA's rocket propulsion testing and for partnering with industry to develop and implement remote sensing technology. Marshall Space Flight Center is the world leader in space research, focusing on the development of the human benefits of space. Glenn Research Center develops and transfers critical technologies for safe and reliable aeronautics, aerospace, and space applications. Kennedy Space Center leads the world in preparing and launching missions around the Earth and beyond. Langley Research Center is forging new frontiers in aviation and space research for aerospace, atmospheric sciences, and technology commercialization to improve the way the world lives. Goddard Space Flight Center studies Earth and its environment, the solar system, and the universe through observations from space. Imagine connecting to one or more of these centers to interact with a NASA engineer, scientist, or education specialist. On our website, you'll find information on equipment and connection requirements, and how to select, register for, and schedule an event. Our event catalog features lessons from NASA's 4 main research areas: aeronautics research, space operations, science, and NASA's newest research area called exploration systems, where we have events that show you how NASA plans to explore the Moon, Mars, and beyond.
Thank you for all of your wonderful questions. You are a great class.
Wow, I can't believe we're talking to a real NASA researcher.
Yes, Takia.
Can we do this again?
Of course you can do this again. I have many colleagues that are signed up and ready to talk to classes just like yours. Now don't forget to sign up early. See you next time.